Good morning, good day, good evening, ladies and gentlemen, wherever you are in the world. It is 12 p.m. Moscow time, and it is, of course, 7 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. We're here with Alexander and Boris, here to do a live Q&A. I know it says hot seat. I should have updated that, apologies. But a live Q&A for you guys for the data mining. So if you've got some wild questions, tonight would be the time to get them answered. You've got the main men right here that can do the answering for you. Gentlemen, how are you today?
Thank you, Andrew.
Alex, okay, Boris, I'm here as well, Tallinn, Estonia. Thank you very much, Andrew, for invitation us to the Asia Pacific region. It's a bit rainy here, but anyway, in a good mood, you know, moving always forward. And I'm glad that people joining us and activate their sales as well. And that data licenses, I mean. Yes. So we are about to run a quick 5 to 10 minutes purchase tutorial on our back office, and then probably gonna run a quick tutorial on activation, and then mostly welcome questions through the different opportunities. I mean, like in chat or in the group, and we're gonna answer them live.
Fantastic, fantastic. No, so guys, as you do ask your questions, we can flash them up on the screen for everyone to see, so that's nice and advantageous for us all. But there's nothing coming through at the moment. Well, do you guys want to kick off with going through the license purchasing? How do you want to go, guys? It's up to you.
I think we go with our the latest version of our activation tutorial. We start with the API back office. Where it is located, how to purchase, what the codes mean, instructions, etc. And then we're gonna jump to the back office of digital doubles.
Fantastic. Well, I'll let you guys lead the way.
Okay, then I'm gonna start. Share screen. Yes, going. Start sharing. Yes. Well, ladies and gentlemen, let me. I have as well a picture on the group, so I hope I can see that. Is it coming up?
Yep.
Oh yes, it's number 4. It's a pretty small one, but anyway, it's a window, so it's well-known back office for all of us. So actually, this is our Academy of Private Investment, and we just for purchase of the product data mining, we need to log in. It's as using your passwords as it is. Then we jump to the EIP section in the API folder. Yes, on the left drop menu, we choose EIP CRU, EIP CryptoUnit. Under that is laying down the opportunity for data mining. As we know, there is a different packages, 3 type of available packages at the moment. Some of them on a promotion that I'm gonna mention a little bit afterwards as well. Oh, thank you, Andrew. I see it's now a little bit better picture there. So we choose So it's EIP DM, that means data mining. So in the future it comes as well EIP DD, digital double, and other line of the products of digital doubles incorporated. So we have the 3 packages available at the moment. So the basic tariff plan for 100 units only, that allows you to mine up to 5,000 friends in total to connected accounts. And as you know, at the moment we are operating only with LinkedIn. The next one is a family tariff plan that is unavailable at the moment until this Saturday, until the 8th of August. And it's gonna cost 150 units, but instead of that, it is still available to purchase the business tariff plan that is with the discount of 40% and brings us within 150 units instead of 250. And as you know, this saved on purchase amount of money is a type of income stream in our academy as well, so that you can put aside. And actually this one includes a business license. the business tariff plan. Yeah, so number of friends could be between 50,000 and 100,000 friends in each connected account. And at the moment, it is already 260 CRU points as a bonus, as we jumped on the 1st of August to the next stage. And I do congratulate you with that. And of course, one of our best-selling products as well is an EIP data mining VIP crew with the cost of 500 units. There have been a lot of questions regarding that, when I'm going to get the training on that and etc. But we position this type of product as for the newbies mostly. Yes, so it includes 750 minutes of Academy Private Investment courses. It includes 2,600 crypto units at the moment for a beginner, and of course it includes the business tariff plan of data mining. So actually you can extend your potential network using this tool. So it's like a 3-in-1 for the new beginners, and it's good to start. As if you are already an experienced one and the leader, so actually it's up to you which package to choose. But for the newcomers, of course, we definitely recommend the best seller. So if we're gonna choose, for example, and this one as an EIP DM crew, so it's coming up in the next window where we need to tick 2 times that I do confirm payment and I agree with the terms of the partner agreement. After that, we push the buy button, and sometimes I need to recognize it. Sometimes it's coming up in the red triangle and contact the support service. What you need to do is fastly jump to the CRU back office and confirm partnership agreement. So it's going to be yellow just under your name and the picture, confirm partnership agreement, then jump back to the Academy Private Investment and push the buy button. And this issue is solved. Afterwards, we purchased it. We're gonna have a 2 ways notification confirmation of a purchase. One of them is coming to your registered Academy of Private Investment email. Yes, congratulations with the purchase. Thank you for purchasing EIP DM VIP crew. Here is your instruction. Yes, and this consists of 4 different types of 4 different lines. And we double this information into your back office in the sector API, Academy Private Investment, Messages, Personal folder. This is very important to remember, as some of our partners, they do have filters. They are not subscribed to the newsletter. So, and you know, in different ways, email could be lost in the spam folder or in any way. So in this case, when we double it, send it to your back office, you always have it under your hand and can have a look inside. So as you see, I have this, thank you for purchasing EIPDM. Here is your instruction. It's in different languages as well. This is an example. And this is how it is looking like. Boris, welcome. We are glad and grateful for you to deciding to gain access to the innovative data mining marketing tool. What we need here is 4 lines downstairs, how to connect a social network to your mining account. First of all, follow this individual link. This link gonna lead you to the registration of the back office of My Digital Doubles. The next one is a PDF blueprint. Follow the step-by-step instruction that we're gonna run through now. And number 3 is an invitational call for registration. Sometimes, mostly times, it is built into the individual link, but sometimes not. What you need to do is just copy and paste it to the reference number on My Digital Doubles site under the activation or signing up process. And of course, the most important, number 4, is license activation code in the data mining account that we're gonna show you how this one is working as well. So this is actually all in email information you need included. And from my side, I think this is so far. Yeah, that was my last one. So actually, when you are buying the DM data mining package, you have the instruction in your email and in your back office. This is very important, as I have solved so many difficult situations when people, oh, I can't find it, I don't see it, I don't have it. And it is very, very freaky when I'm asking the IT, can they have a look into the customer's personal messages, and they send me the screen that the letter is laying down there, and partner can't find it. So I'm showing her a screen. Here it is. Check please one more time, and then say, oh yes, thank you. I didn't mention that it was there. So one more time: API messages, personal folder. So instructions are there. Yes, this is.
Okay.
Stop sharing. Yes, I stop sharing.
Yeah.
From me, I hope now Alexander gonna guide us as well, like roughly through the buy digital doubles, and we can answer mostly common questions as well.
Thank you, Boris. Good job. And I think most of our users and partners understand how to do and how to use it. But now we meet some questions in form of what should I do? I have purchased the license, and what can I do, and what should I do? And I think it's interesting because we had more than 20 sessions, more than 20 webinars in general, and more than 20 Q&A sections, and I think in all languages. In English, I think 5 or 6, and it's just my own, but our colleague help us to explain, and some people don't understand, and I think it's not a problem for us to repeat again and to go through all process again. Okay, I'm going to I'll try to share my screen. One moment. Yes. Can you see? I think yes. Okay. Yeah, colleague. Sorry, Boris.
Yes, it's a little bit delay, but I see.
No.
Yeah, it's coming up.
It's not a problem because maybe this is the feature of Skype. Okay. After receiving the letter from New Economic Evolution of the World community, because Digital Doubles Incorporated cannot send a letter. This is the letter from the partner who allows to buy a license. If you are in the New Economic Evolution of the World community, you should go to your email or to your personal account on the Academy of Private Investors website, and go through the messages box and take email, and for signing up, it's very easy process. You should go through your email. Yes, it's your personal email. It can be the same email like in LinkedIn, but you can use a separate email. It's up to you. And as you can see, I have already the reference code. When you go through the individual link can match your browser session with this reference code. It's just for your convenience. But some browsers, for example, now I use Google Chrome for Macintosh, for macOS X system, but some browsers like Firefox or Opera or some other browsers, some special browsers, cannot connect automatically with this reference code. It means that you should go to your email and take this code and paste to this line. Your personal password, it's hidden, and press to sign up button. After this, you will receive the email from us, from Digital Doubles, with the activation code. This is activation code just for confirmation that this is your email, because we don't know what email do you use, and it's just for confirmation, like in all services where you should fill the line of your email and confirm that this is your email. This is just the code which has the lifetime, because this is the feature of our ecosystem, and if you use it after some time, you can meet the error that lifetime of your code was broken or was cancelled. And don't worry, and try to sign up again, and you will get another code for registration. If you forget the password or email, you should go to recovery page and refresh your information. And after registration, you will go to the dashboard automatically. And if you sign out, you should sign in again. One moment. You should sign in again and sign in again. Yeah, and you will go to the dashboard. You will return to dashboard. Very, very popular question. Should I be in the personal account session in parallel of data mining process? No, you shouldn't, and you can sign out. The data mining process is automatically and separate of your activity, and this is just the interfaces for understanding, for manage some activities, but you can cancel the page, and you can quit and go to get your business or to have a rest. And after the sign up or sign in, very, very important that we should activate license code. For example, if you go directly for the provider section and set up one or two or a lot of widgets, you can see that this button is gray. It means that you haven't activated license code. This is very, very popular question, and I can answer that if you see that this button is gray, you should go to dashboard or to products and activate your license code. I have a code, I have a special code for me. I think all people know this code because I use it a lot of time, and it's just mine code. We have cancelled this code. We have deactivated this code all time before my webinars, and I can activate it again. And after the entering, you can see the type of your license. For example, business data mining, this is type of license. If this code means another license, you will see basic or family in the future. Get products, you can see that product successfully received, and it means that you have already activated. You can see new widget, business data mining, in dashboard, and in products sector. This is the marketplace with all another type of licenses. Family data mining is not active. It's just disabled. Basic, okay, you can buy, but you can see that you cannot buy this type of. If you try to activate again, you can see this type of error. It's very, very popular. Not now, but maybe 10 or 5 days ago, it was very, very popular question. What does it mean? It means that you have already activated. And you can see it if you try to buy, for example, or if you try to activate again. Okay, it's all. We should go to provider sector and try to activate our widget. Okay, after activation the license, our server understand it after some time, not online, but maybe after 10 minutes, 15 minutes in general. And now I can delete and try again to create widgets for some people who don't understand how to use it. This is provider sector in general, and in this sector we will add all social networks in the future. Now we have LinkedIn, we will add WeChat, Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook, and other social networks. For our Pacific region partners, I can say that this is a new idea, but we are going to add Pinterest social network. This is very interesting social networks with a lot of pictures for imagination, for traveling, for have some ideas, and we have interesting project. Now we discuss it with the top managers of the new economical evolution of the world company, and I think after some time Andrei Havratov will announce it, but it's just little news that we are going to build interesting product based on the Pinterest for creating a lot of video movies for our work. Artificial intelligence will create video movies automatically. It's interesting, and it's just our idea in our laboratory, and now we discuss it with, as I said earlier, and after some time we will announce it. But okay, we will return. Now we will return to our work. I should press add and create a name, for example, Alex1, my LinkedIn login. As you can see, it's the same because I have emails on Google, Yahoo, other platforms, I mean in United States platforms, but you can see you can use separate, it's up to you. It's very important, you should enter correct email because it's very popular type of error now. People can see bad password error. It means that you should go to this widget and write a correct password. Keywords, it's the not necessary section. I think you can set up it. I prefer to stay it empty because it's the opportunity for our data mining server to find more people than if you can fill it. And press create. Now first session, this is session for connect of LinkedIn. Yes, as you can see, why I cannot. Okay. It's interesting situation that I can see my name and my amount of people. Yeah. If we go to my LinkedIn, yeah, this is my LinkedIn. You can see that now it's very slowly today. I don't know why. Maybe because you can see our managers from Digital Doubles can connect with me, try to connect with me, but I have 29 and 999 connections now. You can see it one moment in this widget in my provider sector. Yeah, if we go to LinkedIn and for example accept some invitation, for example this gentleman here, okay, I have 30,000 connections, yeah, and if we update a widget, you can see that I have 30,000. It's maximum on LinkedIn. If I try to add another one, for example, our partner from Digital Doubles or another partners in this sector, you can see the a special error for LinkedIn that I cannot edit. This is typical because reached the connection limit. You can go and learn more. It's not I think it's unofficial information, but according to our experience, 30,000, this is the maximum on LinkedIn. I think you can reach the same goals during 6 or 8 or maybe 10 months if you go through our instructions. And now I think we can go to our widget, but as I see I cannot work continue to work because my license is deactivated. It's interesting situation. It's interesting situation because I have already activated and I have the license, activation license, but maybe this is the an error in our server. It's typical because this is live system and okay, we can go and in a lifetime go to our IT sector, IT department. One moment.
Well, yeah, so far Alex is there and asking. Yes, yes. Yeah.
Глядим.
I'll take 1 minute.
Саша, посмотри, пожалуйста, я вот сейчас прям в онлайне активирую лицензию, у меня этот серый баттон, то есть он не работает.
Thank you. So actually, everything should be green, and this on button is green as well. And under the sales license is coming a one dot, green dot. Yeah, it starts the process to mine.
Okay. I requested, and he said that I should wait. Yes. We should wait from 1 to 15 minutes. And it was not the preparing process. It was just in live situation. It's just for you that you can see that I am person like you, and I can meet some problems. But earlier, last time, it was activated very fastly. Now we had another situation. Okay, as you can see, I have the limit. I have reached a limit. It means that data mining process will work, but I cannot add friends. I cannot add friends, and potential friends cannot add me because I have reached the limit. But if some people delete me or cancel the remove the connection, I have I can add another people, and I should switch the red button to green button. Press to the button, and button will switch its color. You can see the status on the widget on, and you can see the green button. It means it works. And you should wait some time. The mining process will start after some minutes, 1 minute or 30 seconds, or in some time, another time. While we are waiting, we can go to another widget, for example, LX2, and set up another email, for example, my Yahoo email, and set up the password. But I can special to enter bad password. Create. You should you can see another widget, but the widget with a special error for you. You can see mining process was started, and in this widget we can see the red triangle in the you should press to, if you see this type of work, you should press on it. And now we met the capture from LinkedIn. It's very typical situation. If you go to social networks, for example, to Facebook or to LinkedIn with the bad password, and system understand that your password was wrong, you can see the in some time you can see the bad password error. In some time you can see the capture, and it's up to LinkedIn settings. And what should you do? You should wait and update. Press to update page, and after some time, capture will hide, and you can see that you have entered the bad password. Press settings, change your password, and press save, and your mining process will start. Like in this widget. In this widget we have another type of error, because I have reached the maximum amount of friends, and I think yes, it's a problem now, because our error don't we have the very ununderstandable, or how to say, people don't understand what does it mean, and we are going to rewrite these errors for understandable form, for understand of our users. But in this situation I have reached the maximum amount. If my maximum amount will cancelled, for example, some people remove me, data mining process will start it automatically. If this process doesn't start automatically, you should update it. Just update manually. You can meet this type of recommendation. You should refresh your account manually. It means you should go to your widget and press to the update button. Okay, it's all. As you can see, it's very easy process, and we met some type of errors. Triangle on the mine process, it means that mine process was cancelled, or it's met it met some problems. For example, problems of the maximum amount of people. If you see the red triangle on the this sector of widget, it means you have in general problems. For example, if you correct your password, I don't have, sorry, another account on LinkedIn, but if you have and you correct your password, the process will change to working process, to working. Okay, thank you, Boris. And I think now we can go to our questions and answers section. Thank you. Andrew?
Yeah, fantastic. So that's a really great explanation, Alexander. Thank you, and Boris. That's been awesome. I know plenty of people got value from it. So I'm just going to go back to the first one that we've got at the top here. I'm going to flash it on the screen for everyone. Just let me find it, and then I'll read it to you guys as well. So the first one here from Sue Elliott was the training, and that was when Boris was going through the training package that comes with it. Is that part of the 500 pack, or the training that was part of the 500 license? When do we receive that? So that's the first part. Not necessarily a technical one, but that's the first question.
First question, yes, okay. As I explained in the beginning, this package is mostly for the new beginners, and it is included 751 minutes of Academy Private Investment courses. Now, starting with our regular ones, 8 rules of private investment, 5 commitments of private investment, how to accumulate money, how $1 turns into 1 million, etc. So how to create portfolio, alternative pension plans. So actually the value of this package at the moment is 1,000 units within this stage already. So this 750 minutes you can get as a new beginner. If you're an experienced or leader, so actually access to these trainings, you already have it.
Yes, but can I add something?
Yes.
On our side, on the digital double side, this is the same package, the 150 and $500. This is the same package. And if you activate your $500 pack, yeah, you can see it's like business pack on $150. Some people don't understand what different, and they asked from our support, I have purchased $500 pack and I cannot see it in your dashboard. It's impossible because this is business pack with some values from New Chemical Evolution of the World community.
Yeah.
You should understand it.
Yeah,
Thank
absolutely. We have had that question a few times, so we have sort of covered that a little bit. But guys, so just in case you missed what Alexander said, is that there's no difference in the data mining back office between the business pack and the top license that we had, right? It looks the same. In the data mining, it is the business package or the business license. And the reason it's different inside of our back office is because there was a higher allocation of CRU for you guys to make it even more attractive for you. Okay, so the next one that is up there, and I think you've kind of answered this anyway, Alexander, is from Kim Pierce. It says, please explain the format for using keywords, e.g. space between words, commas. Which is the correct layout for the best result? Now, I think you said for the best result, probably leave it blank, but what else have you got to add to that?
This is the additional value. I think on the start, on the beginning, you should, it's my advice, it's my personal advice, up to you how to use it. But my personal advice and our team official advice that you should stay it empty. Because, for example, after some time, we will add the regions, for example, Australia or England or United States. And for some people who is going to work with people in special regions, they should use these keywords in the link of the region. But now we don't have regions, and data mining now works around the world for all people. For example, Indian people can connect with Australian people can connect with Brazilian people and other. And I think you can use it. You can write, for example, cryptocurrency, finance, education, real estate, and other traveling. But this is the small circle. If you state empty, you will have big circle of potential friends. If you write it, this is the funnel of your vision. If you want, if you need it, you should write. You can write. But my advice now, during 1 or 2 months, during our team is building another version of data mining model, you should stay empty.
That's good advice, and I can see that Kim's already said that that's it. Her keywords are not gone, and I'm actually going to go into my back office and do the exact same thing.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so the next one that has come up here, and it was relevant to something you had up on your screen before, Alexander. It's from Sue Elliott once again, and she's asking what the 3 dots and the 6 mean above the ad. I'm picking that she meant above where you add the package or add the account to the providers.
I know where it is located. So it is the widget that is not activated. People are often using what are the 3 dots and number 5, number 6 there. What does that mean?
Okay. It's very popular question. Yes. It's just okay. Funny situation. This is just the version of widget, like version of cars or version of buildings and other. This is just our internal information, and we will hide it very soon. But this is our staff information of our IT specialist, the version of widget.
Perfect.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, so hopefully that's answered that one too. I'm sure it has.
It's unuseful for you. Yeah.
She's also got another one, and I think this has been covered too. It says, is it correct that the sales license is a no? So in the back office, sometimes the sales license says no. Is that correct? Or should it say yes?
I understand. It's some confusion because we have our sales license, and in LinkedIn you can use their sales license. It means if you don't have any commercial pack in LinkedIn, for example, premium status or sales navigator status, if you don't have, you can see no and no. If you switch your type of license in LinkedIn to commercial, for example, premium or sales license, you can see yes, it's just a status on your internal LinkedIn. It's not about our sales license. It's about we had the question some time ago that I have activated and I see in widget sales license. No, what does it mean? Because I have activated it's 1 minute ago. This is not our sales license. This is LinkedIn sales license.
Cool, awesome, thank you. There's a similar question to Shane Bose had as well, but I think you pretty much covered that with that, so thank you. Another one here is, and this is a cool question, I think I know the answer to it, but I'll let you answer it obviously, and that is, do we need to send documents for verification anywhere?
Now you don't need. This is the part of our model of verification, our own clients. But for new economical evolution of the world community, it doesn't matter, and you don't have to verify your profile if you want, because we have gigabytes and gigabytes photos and other information from community, but it doesn't matter now. now. After some time, for your convenience, we will add another type of function with verification profiles. But now it's just up to you.
Fantastic. Thank you.
Okay.
So guys, feel free to drop any other questions in here that you've got. I know that I've come to the end of that list that's on there at the moment, the live questions. One of the ones that came up today, Alexander, I'll ask it again, and that was because it was a live question. It wasn't one that was sent in, and it was to do with the revenue from the data mining. How's that sort of derived? I know you've said it before, you've gone over it a few times, but we just get some clarity around that, perhaps.
I think this is a big business question because. As I remember, Andrei Havratov explained it, and I think we will have some offers for all this base, not just offers from about new economical evolution of the world products, but our own financial or some other offers, and revenue for company millions of dollars, and big part of this amount will share between the miners. You should wait because we are going to reach 10 million friends. Now we have reached around 1 million.
Wow.
Friends. It's interesting. And after some time, when our community will grow up and will increase from 3,000 or 4,000 miners to 20 or 50,000 miners, we will have millions and millions friends in our ecosystem. And after 10, it's our decision. It discussed with the top managers of community. We will offer our first offers, and you will take your first income, your first revenue.
I'm sure everybody's looking forward to that day. Yes. It's exciting. So over 1 million connections
looking forward.
Over 1 million connections now. That's awesome. What do we got? What? We're not even realistically, we're 3 weeks, right? 3 weeks since everybody got access.
Just unofficial.
Just unofficial. Of course.
It's unofficial. It's just from me because I'm checking every day, and on some official meetings, Boris and Andrew Havratov can explain more officially, but I think it's approximately 1 million clients, 1 million potential clients.
Alexander, your secret's safe with me and the 50 other people that are watching. No worries.
Yeah. Okay. I will explain you when I go to Australia personally.
Fantastic, mate. As I said, you're welcome anytime. I'll put the barbecue on. I'll make some pizza. Not a problem.
Going in this fall.
So here's another one from Artis. He's asking, can I use one license for many emails?
What type of emails do you mean?
So I'm guessing
for some people.
Yeah. I'm guessing he's talking about different accounts, but I would imagine
if you have a lot of accounts, you can add. If you have your family accounts, as I said, yes, you can add. You can add for your parents, for your children's, for your siblings, and for you.
Fantastic. So that is dependent on the license, though, doesn't it? So if you've got a single license, obviously that wouldn't work. But if you've got a family license or a business license,
yeah. A business license for all of your family.
Okay, so here's a question.
It's good.
Yeah. This is a question that is coming up quite continuously. This is from Michael McCorn in New Zealand. I have 1,600 people in LinkedIn, but I've only grown 10 people since mining began. Will it work only if I get the Sales Navigator?
If you turn on this function, you will add from 300 to 500 people per day. It's very, very fast method or direction for reach of the maximum of clients. I used it. I used it during 6 months, and after I have reached this goal, I've cancelled it because I don't need it. It's just this is very, very strange situation that they have commercial model, but people don't understand why do they need it. I don't know now. It's just some commercial emails to people who don't want to receive these emails. It's strange situation, but because if you don't want to receive email, if I pay for this email to receive for you, you will not read it and you will not answer. It's strange, but for us, it's good situation because LinkedIn close of their eyes to our activity, to our fast activity. And if we use it without commercial license, for example, without premium or sales navigator, LinkedIn will be in will feeling bad of themselves. And if you want, for example, you are a good sales manager, or you are networks leader, or you are an entrepreneur, you can use it for you, not for me, because it's not mine income. It's income of Microsoft, because Microsoft LinkedIn is the project on Microsoft ecosystem. And if you use it, I promise that during 6 or maybe 8 months you will reach the maximum of your clients, because I use it and I think it works.
There you go. Cool. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you for that answer, mate. Hey, Joe and Barry Love have asked the question here. It's an interesting one, and I thought I may have had the answer wrong for this that I've been telling people, solely based on what I saw with Boris before. And the question is, will digital doubles be a separate addition, as in paying again to the 500 that we paid? So are there two separate payments to be made for data mining and for digital doubles?
Popular question. Popular question. Okay. I think for some people it will be for free. It will be for free, because we have two type of digital doubles. Two type. First type is like community. We call it community digital doubles. Community digital doubles. That's digital doubles of, for example, of the Academy of Private Investors. And we are going to start community digital doubles in September. It's my idea, and we discuss it with President Council, yeah, and I think we will announce it very, very soon. Another type, that individual digital doubles. This is very difficult system, because you should educate it, and this is neural networks of your personal activity, and this is very, very, very difficult model, and I think you will get it after some time, maybe in 3 months. But about paying or free function, I think it will be free function for all leaders, all good sales managers. If you are in the structure and you have very, very good results, you will get it, because this is an equipment for your work, for get your goals more better, and you will get it for free. If you are the data miner, if you are people from the street, for example, or you don't understand what is it, or you are a new participant of our community, yes, it will be a paying function, but it will cost very, very cheaply. Very cheaply. It's not expensive solution, and I think $100 for this function, it's not very, very expensive. But for all our good results managers, it will be for free. Look, it's my idea.
In all honesty, though, too, I mean, that's fantastic news, by the way, Alexander. Thank you very much. But in all honesty, if we're real honest with ourselves, you know, for the potential that it has for our businesses, $1,000 would still be cheap. You know, we could be, let's be honest. But that's good news for everyone.
Okay.
So we've got that one there. Shirley Cross has had an issue. She did come on our Q&A this afternoon as well. She said, "Hi, I've been locked out of my LinkedIn for nearly 2 weeks. What would your advice be there?" And the reason I ask and flash this question up is because we have had a lot of partners that have had their accounts flagged. And their question that's coming back is, "Are you using an automated system on here?" Well, of course we are, but what do they answer them?
Okay, it's a question for me.
Please.
Yeah, Boris, can you explain more?
Can you translate me?
Yeah, I can translate why my LinkedIn account is suspended.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah. It's just the feature of LinkedIn that if they see that you didn't use it very often, or now you started to use it more often, for them this is suspicious activity, and they can suspend or other actions for your account. You should verify your identity, press to the verified button and connect with them, and your profile will unblocked or unsuspend after during 1 or 2 days. We are working for the new model. It allows to avoid the suspend situation, and I hope in 1 month we will offer it and you will change your model. It's absolutely for free. It will has 2 opportunities. First opportunity, your mining speed will increase. Second opportunity, you avoid to suspending situations of LinkedIn. We are working for resolve it, and I think during at least 3 or maybe 4 weeks we will offer it, and you will change, and we will resolve this situation, because I understand it's not good situation. I personally met the same situation in LinkedIn, in Facebook, in other social networks. It's not bad, it's not good, it's not bad, but it's our work, because business is a war. Business is a war, and we are on the war. And I think we are all soldiers, and as the Andrew said, how you call our users in your Facebook
partners?
No. Like the Christian church soldiers.
Crusaders. Crusaders.
Yes. Crusaders. Yeah,
sorry, I put the two together. Crusaders. That's it. Yep.
I read your posts, and yes, who are Crusaders? This is the soldiers, and we are soldiers, and you should understand that this is part of our life. That they cannot give up and give their hands ahead, that we are a small company, and you caught of our users and change their opinion. No, they will beat with our ecosystem, and yes, we are absolutely on the legal field. Yeah. But they can do something for us, and we will resolve this problem very, very soon. Thank you.
Fantastic. Thank you. That's a really, really comprehensive answer, Alex, and I'm sure everyone got plenty from it. Thank you. Here's one from our own resident investment department guy. Question time. How do we customize those initial, or can we even customize those initial messages that are used to introduce ourselves to new connections? The more custom and personal it is, it would be more authentic. So I guess what Haron's asking is, those initial messages that go out, can we edit them in any way to make them more personalized?
You mean that the invitation phrase?
Yeah. That LinkedIn send,
Yes,
I guess it'd be
exactly,
through the
exactly.
Sales Navigator, wouldn't it?
This is very popular question in the other languages zones, for example, Italian or Spanish, because I prefer to speak English, and all world speak English. But we have some special zones, for example, Spanish languages. Spanish language is so popular, popular, and you understand that maybe more than 1 billion people speak Spanish, and they are not going to change, and they are not going to learn English, and they are not going to change. And we use the typical phrase for LinkedIn. We have more than 1,000 typical phrase, and we're going to change for them. But I think the customization of phrase, not just customization of form, but to translate to some regions' own languages, it's very important. And we will switch to this model to edit the function so soon. And you can customize the phrase for invitation, for start of the conversation very, very soon.
Fantastic. Good news. Okay, so another one here. If you're new to LinkedIn, will data mining work?
Yes, but with very, very slowly speed.
Yep. Perfect.
Yeah, okay.
Another one here from
Andrew.
Narelle. You about to say something, Boris?
Yes, Andrew. Before we jump to the next question, I run through the chat, and I would like to congratulate Steve Hawkins and Bella Kyer, who, following our instruction, has activating the data mining process online. So actually, congratulate you guys. Yeah, so this is what we are here for, and answer your questions as well.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Fantastic. All right. So this is Boris, I'm sure you could plug this one easily. Is the data mining and digital doubles outside of CRU, i.e., that is, will it continue to operate outside of the other investments? Please forgive my ignorance.
I don't know. It's for me, or Boris can answer.
I think Boris.
Yes. I can answer this, but try to understand. So let's. I don't see it here, but anyway. Oh yeah, another question: is the data mining conditional doubles outside of the CRU? No, it's not outside of the CRU. The Digital Doubles Incorporated company is in the portfolio of the CryptoUnit. So it is inside the CRU. But as you know as well, the Digital Doubles Incorporated is aiming not only to our community, but we offer this type of product as well to our auto market. And actually, future profits will be shared as well with us and with the partners of New Economic Evolution of the world. As you remember, so Alexander, as well as a visionary man, so we have a common goal within 2 years, 5 billion people for our mega brain. So this is what we are working for.
Yeah, and we have 2 products in our line, and I think we will offer a lot of fantastic directions during 1 or 2 or 3 months. Follow us.
Absolutely, there's plenty of exciting things happening in the space. I'm very excited to be part of it. Lucy Martin, I think I can. The LinkedIn sales team is offering me a premium account. It's up to you on whether you take that. That's more a LinkedIn question. Again, you've heard what Alexander said earlier about that.
Yeah.
Where are we? There was another one here that I needed to put in. There's a question here that's been asked a couple of times. Okay, this one here from Sue Elliott. What kind of advertising will be sent to the data mining, to the connections we bring to the data mining?
I think, Alex, it is a question regarding the test sales and what type of products will be sold to the mined database.
Financial as I said, because for understanding, we can offer any products. But for example, if I'm going to sell, for example, big house or flat in the city, yes, this is offline activity because people can go to this flat and see it and look about, walk around the district and other. But this is very, very difficult and very, very slowly process. And we prefer to use the products when people can go through the sign up form and look at the site, the tariff plans or some other. And I think firstly, we will offer these easy products when we don't need special managers for help people understand. For example, education, financial, and some other products for video, movies, and other. And this is very big market, billions and billions of dollars. And this is firstly. Secondly, cryptocurrency products in some jurisdiction when it allows, and other. And digital products firstly, because this is a very, very simple way for connection with our potential clients. Thank you.
Fantastic. Very cool. This one here from Lucy Martin. Does data mining also work if you have two-step or two-factor authentication on in LinkedIn?
We supported it from yesterday, as I know from my IT specialist, and you should, if you have this feature, we will show you a special button and you can press it, enter a second password and enjoy.
Fantastic. That's cool.
Yeah.
That's great, guys. I mean, think about that. And this for everyone listening.
All new our features just for Pacific region.
Yeah. Woohoo!
Yes.
Here you go. We're special, guys. We're special.
Yeah. Okay.
Well, it will be some spoilers released by me as well today that happened in the back office update, and it's a very common question.
It's very typical because all new days starts from Pacific region.
It's first to see the sun.
Yes.
And all new features will start from your region.
Well, you just gave me goosebumps. That's exciting. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Hey, so Alia Shoot has asked a question. Is there a roadmap for the digital doubles to be listed on the exchange market? Is it going to exchange? Are we listing it as a company?
We don't know. We don't have cryptocurrency, but if we use it, yes. If you mean IPO, maybe during 2 years, not now, because we're going to have very, very strong revenue firstly, and to build at least 1 billion clients. Our capitalization will be around $1 billion, and after this we will start the IPO official company, because this is very, very difficult and very, very responsibility activity. And if you mean this one side of our life, we don't have cryptocurrency. If we have, we will go to cryptocurrency exchanges.
I think you hit the nail on the head. I think he was kind of referring to IPO stuff. So guys, it's at least you got to remember that although Alexander's company has been around, this company that we've started that is a part of our portfolio needs to go through that process and get the financials and behind it to be able to even think about listing. So that is a few years down the track, as Alexander's just said. Boris, you got something to add, mate?
Yes. I was wondering. I wanted to add that actually in the back office news section 3 weeks ago, it was released 18 most common questions for data mining, and there was a roadmap up to the end of the year with the potential start of the next projects and when will be digital doubles and the next products coming up. Just check it out there. But
yes, maybe
approximately, I would say. So
yeah,
it's a plan. Yes.
Indeed. Maybe we will change some nuances, details, because it's according to our legal situation in some regions. Because in the United States we have one legal situation, in the England community countries in general, for example, Australia, Canada, England, and other. We have one type of legal and one type of legal system. In German countries we have a second type of legal system, and but we are international company, and but we should consider the local legalization and local rules in some countries. For example, in India we have one very strong system. In China we have another strong system. In Russia, we have another and other. And maybe we will change some details, but our general strategy is to be one of the biggest informational company in the world during 2 years.
That's no small goal either. So, and I know we've got the right team on. From what I've seen from you guys, you're doing great work already, and I'm very excited for where we're heading. Thank you for bringing it to the table for our company, and Boris, thank you for all the work you're doing with it too, mate.
Thank you.
So
Thank
we have.
you,
Hey, sorry, mate.
No.
It's continue.
Yeah, cool.
Yeah.
Look, there's no other new questions coming through at the moment. So, guys, give us some indication if this has been useful to you today, wherever you are in the world. I know I saw Liz Franchini on here before, so I know it's in the wee hours of the morning for her. Just give us a 5 if this has been useful for you. If you've got other questions, now's the time to ask them, because if we don't get any new ones, then we'll probably wrap up for the night. But guys, before that happens, I really want to give a sincere thank you to you, Alexander, to you, Boris, for reaching out to make this happen. This has been awesome. I know it's answered a lot of questions that people have had. I can see a lot of excitement in the chat, and just the little unofficial tidbits you've given us has been amazing. So thank you so much.
Oh, thank you, Andrew, for inviting us. And
Yes.
actually, it's been done one update in the back office as well, and it's a very common question: how can I register potential partners to the data mining project, data mining through new evolution of the world? So, if you don't mind, I can make a share now and show you one insight that has been added to our back office that actually okay, if you see my screen, Andrew.
Yep, just adding it now, mate. Wait one.
Yes, it's 1 minute, but it's a sneak peek of what is going to happen, that you know that the work is going on behind the scene as well.
Yep, screen's up, my friend.
Screen's up, very good. Okay, so this is the back office hours. Yeah, so we are in the Academy of Private Investment, and as you see, I am the folder partner tools, and at the moment in English language. Yeah, so yesterday it has been added one thing here. I will change it to Russian at the moment. Yes, and we see our invitational links. So here is one already in Russian language, but it will be soon translated for us to different languages as a landing for digital doubles. Yes,
we don't have now in English.
And I see not, but Alex, as I got informed, in 2-3 days they will upload the translation.
It looks very nice.
Yes, and I really like one more feature here, and this day and night opportunity to switch on. So actually, this will lead you like to the registration. Here is the Boris or Jason, yes. So just in English is not added here yet. But a very what I mean that I wanted to say you like just that everything is going to happen, and we are working on that, and indeed it will be soon in other languages as well. So everybody was waiting for the data mining lending. So
Yes. Yes.
That is very, very cool news. That is coming. So thank you so much for that. That's awesome.
Okay. Thank you, Andrew.
No, thank you, Alexander. Thank you, Boris, for your time. Gentlemen, it's always a pleasure to be with you here on these calls. And look forward to you coming down under too, Alex. I know it's not that far away if the borders open up, so we'll have something special for you when you come down.
Oh yes, I've seen one news as well in the all Asia Pacific region. I would like to congratulate. We would like with Alex to congratulate you with the opening of the new office of Academy Private Investment in the Gold Coast. So that's the great job has done. So do congratulate all of you guys. It's a really nice work, and we would like to cooperate with you, of course, on data mining and other projects as well.
Fantastic.
Thank you.
We're happily have you here. A lot of work went on behind the scenes by a lot of people. So, yeah, there's a lot of thanks go out to people that aren't necessarily in the forefront. All right, thanks, guys. Okay. Thank you, everybody, for coming and spending the last hour with us. I'm sure this has been useful. Go out. If you haven't already got your data mining license, why? Go get one and then activate it and start mining. Exciting times.
Yes.
All right, guys, have a great evening or day wherever you are in the world, and we will talk to you guys very, very soon. All right, guys, take care.
Thank you. Take care.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Have a good day. Bye-bye.